Hello YouTube, this is Doublestein. I get a number of questions on how I add sounds to my videos, and I use the QUICKTIME Pro, which is very effective at adding multiple sounds to your video. And here's a small sound clip. I'll leave it in front so you can see it better. And so in order to insert this onto your video, you would these things are very key. You got to select the whole video, or just whatever section of that sound video, I guess you'd say, or sound file, and then go to Edit, Copy, and that will copy whatever is in the space in between these two lower bars. And so after that's done, you can just minimize that, and just find the place on your video where you would like to have that explosion. I'll pick that little fire part. Let's find the right spot. So just before the fire, we'll take that and say add to movie. So add to the movie, that just means it's going to run that same sound file over top of the movie at the same time. So we'll see how that sounds. I'll move it back a little bit. And that's out of... I'll turn this up a little bit. Get a bit louder. So I'll do that again just so you hear it better. Not too bad. So if I wanted to add another one, just go over here, find another little explosion I made with my little puffs of cotton lit up by a flashlight. And so just another add to movie. Bring it back to the beginning. Play it again. I got other ones here. I can get rid of that one. Here's another explosion. Let's listen to that. It's pretty cool. So, edit. Select all. That just does it for me. Then I copy. Then I minimize. Find the right place on my video that I'll find the first explosion. There it is, just before it. Edit. There's also this add to selection and scale, whereas if I put my two markers down here, and then I could force the sound to go into those two markers, but I found with QUICKTIME sometimes that screws it up and it might give you more of a headache. So I try to make the sound file the same size as what I want, and then I can just add the movie and it won't give me any problems. I'll reverse that back a bit and we'll listen. As you can see, the sounds are starting to come together, and that's what I use. Most of my sound files I guess got from the internet, from a royalty-free sound source, and you just gotta sort of search around, but once you do get them, QUICKTIME Pro is an excellent way to add a lot of sounds to your videos. Thank you very much.